Dude, Dingy's had enough of her kissing him for one night. One time was enough. I like that they didn't use the same shots from the last one. That they made new ones. It wasn't as funny as the first time. He looks so scared. She looks really good right there. Like her eyes. Her eye, I'm sorry. There's a little twinkle in it. He kicked the beer can. I don't think he's gonna do it though. Stick him up. Oh, is he gonna do it? No, I don't think he's gonna do it.
さんとするはずだったファーストキスをケロで汚した女に奪われていいのか。よし。
Oh, Dingy. I don't think he's gonna back out.
下も脱ぎましょうね。ポッケになんか入っちゃるよ。バチャップス？来たね。
Wait, what was in his pocket? Oh.
デンジ君。デンジ君、大丈夫？
So this was during the party. How did he get drunk if he wasn't drinking?
クソみてえなファーストキスしちまいました。
Oh, so this is after that.
きっとキスのたびにケロの味を思い出すのかな。
No, you'll forget it eventually, Dingy.
口開けて。
Oh, an indirect kiss. When he was freaking out about Aki.
多分一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよ。でも大丈夫。デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験する。と
That's true.
りあえずファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね。
Yeah, I didn't think he was gonna do it. He got awfully close to.
いいな、ポチタ。お前もエッチしたかったろ。
I'm sure that's what Pochita wanted.
デンジ君、おはよう。
Wait, is that? Oh, it sounded like Makima
朝
first,
ごは
I
ん
think.
食べれる？
She doesn't have a hangover?
昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった？
Almost.
ベロンナと厄介。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
You could have said it a bit nicer. Yeah.
に手出したら逮捕だから。
Yeah, that's what I was thinking at the end of the last episode. I was like,
そういや、デンジ君もマキマさん好きなの？
超好き。
マキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？
クソ好き。
デンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
うわ、マジ？
how would she do that?
マキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ。
Oh, okay. I was like, she has an ulterior motive to that. But I didn't think it was gonna be that. But yeah, okay, I knew she liked him. That had to be. I wasn't sure if she just wanted him to live or if she liked him, but I figured it was she
ど
liked
こ好き
him.
なの？
顔。
His face.
私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて、
That's cool.
朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキ君を連れてね。
Power would have a blast at that apartment. I can see her throwing stuff off the balcony already. Oh yeah, she's going to, Makima's going to Kyoto, right? Bro, this show looks so good. Wait, what just happened? This is weird, right? Oh. What? Well, everyone just watched that happen? No, there's no way. That just happened? What just happened? They said Team C, so where's... Oh, they're probably going after Dingy and him. But those were humans. I'm confused. Oh, are their teams going after all of them? All of Division 4? Not the old man. Yeah, the old man. Okay. I thought yeah, his clothes were the same. Oh, they're taking out all of Division 4 at once. But these are humans, though. Wait, how did they hear that? Are they close by? Truly not me last night.
意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君は。誰？
俺は普通にうめえけどな。
わしに気安く話しかけるな。
Is this guy like the leader of the team that's taken out Division 4?
世界一優しくてな。高い店でいいもん食わせてもらったな。そんな子供も数えるほどしか殺したことないんだと。
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know.
江戸っ子かたぎのいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
何のつもりだ、てめえ。
この悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Why is the kingdom manager? Dude. Okay. Wait, did he actually shoot Aki and Himena? Oh, he did. Oh
早川
no.
秋、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。
Wait. Oh, he's like dingy.
パワー、姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
Oh, he's using his sword. Is there a set number of years that it takes off his life?
さあ、
Oh, 3 years? Oh wait, is that how many years it's taking off his life? Or how many years he has left? I need an answer to this, because that's a little scary.
ゼロ。
Oh, okay. Oh, it was a countdown to... Oh, I thought that's how many years were coming off his life. Somebody needs to get Dingy something.
日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
Oh, okay, that's why they were so unprepared. I was like, what?
先輩の治療は。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。
Alright, who are you? Is she healing him? Don't let her heal him. Yeah. Why did you let her heal him? So how did Dingy's former boss's grandson get that power? Did he just cut through Aki? Jeez. Dude, what is going on right now? They can't kill Aki and they can't kill everybody in this episode. Or like our main Division 4 members in this
ま
episode.
だ生きてるぞ。デビルハンターのスーツは頑丈だからな。とどめを刺して。
Alright, yeah, I was about to say, Power, it's time for you to step in, like...
無理じゃん。あいつの動き見えんかったもん。
Oh, she literally couldn't. Dude, this episode well, them having breakfast was so, like, wholesome, and now everything's gone to just off the rails.
私の全部をあげるから。ゴーストの全部使わせて。
She's sacrificing herself. Oh, it formed behind him.
アキ君は泣くことができる。
So is that the ghost devil, or is that something else? I'm assuming it is. I just didn't think it would look like that.
で泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
Yeah, she's dead. That sucks. Dude, this episode is ending terribly.
アキ君は死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ、泣いてほしいから。
丸飲み。
Dang, she almost had him too. So who are these people? Yeah, she's gone. Dude. Bro, that ending sucks. Alright, so that's it for this episode of Chainsaw Man. It's like watching Avengers Infinity War. Like, everyone's dying. Makima, and then her assistant Himeno. Yeah, Himeno. Yeah, that's her name, Himeno. The other two people from Division 4 that were trying to kill Denji, and then those like a lot of people that we just met just died instantly. That's crazy. Really interested to see who these mystery people are. They're all like all of a sudden everyone's after the Chainsaw Devil. So I'm gonna need like an explanation of what's going on, because the fact that the Gun Devil is after the Chainsaw Devil now, just because he absorbed Denji, right? He gave his heart to Denji. Like that can't be the only reason. Like there has to be something. But if they would have been after him before he merged with Denji, they would have gone after him while he was like, well, Denji was a kid, and it was, I mean, it was a pup the whole time, Pochita. But yeah, like I'm just kind of baffled. Like I need some answers like immediately. But yeah, I don't even want to say that this was a good episode just because everything just went crazy. But yeah, probably gonna watch the next one immediately, most likely, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it for this episode of Chainsaw Man. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.